Hello YouTube. Right, I'm gonna do another pack opening and hopefully I'll get either the Borussia Dortmund Aubameyang, Jesus Navas, or Jesus Navas, the Man City version, or Isco, the Real Madrid version, something like that, something worth a bit of dosh to me. But unfortunately EA haven't put any special packs on, even though it's a Wednesday. Lucio. Uh, it's not great, is it? To be honest. I moved to. Oh, I don't even know the name of that team. But oh well, fuck it. I had douches the other day. God, why do I keep getting in packs? Right, come on. Come on. Tulan. Is that Tulan? Michele Arteta. You can go for sale anyway. Tulalan. Tulalan. Is that Monaco? Yeah, he's obviously just moved there. Taking all the players. Come on. Oxlade, Chamber Bads. Gabby. Oh my god. 5% fitness filled. Oh, come on, EA. Really? Really? Wow. Yeah, frickin' shit. Yeah, what happens is he's actually a duplicate, but they haven't put it up as a duplicate, so that's why I can't store it in my club. Right. Come on. I'm actually quite happy that Aubameyang went to Borussia Dortmund. He's a class player on here. He's overpowered. Chico, is that the Swansea City man? Oh, lovely, EA. Is that for fucking up with my pack? A nice 4 grander. Thank you. We'll take that. Store that. Oh, and a load of shit there. Come on. Benzema. Lofran. Another 2, 3, 4, 5 non-rares. Nice one. Lovin. Oh, he's quick, isn't he? Fucking hell. I got Gabby in my last pack and I got him again. Don't know if it's the same one. Spelt the same, so it counts. Come on, EA. Kiesling. Ah. I was gonna get him, but in team this season, so I could make a Bundesliga team. But I thought I'd get a La Liga team instead, you know, and have Ronaldo up front. I gotta be honest with you guys, right? Ronaldo is class on grass. He is immense. He is immense. Van der Wheel. Wow. Always gotta check the Brazilians to see what their star skills are. Just one of them things. Alright, 3-4-3. Another load of bullshit off EA. Not surprised, gotta be honest. Carlos Alberto. Oh my, what? I've had about 50 odd of him in packs. 5-star skills. Doesn't go for that much, but you know, it's money in it. Alright, keep these. Oh, I can only store one, right. Quick sell. Right, Chamberlain again. Missed that. Keep missing him. I just tell you what it is, I'm just so tired. It's what, like nearly 1 o'clock here. But, you know, shit happens. Di Maria, he's a good player as well. Really pacey. Well, it says that on his card, really, doesn't it? Come on. Come on, give me something good. Lobos. Oh, the Man United Fabio. You're shit, but still, you might go for some because you would play for Man United. Right. More bullshit. Come on. Altidore or something? Oh, yes. No strength. No strength. Doesn't look half bad, actually. He's meant to be one for the future, this kid right here. Well, may as well just prepare for my next game. Oh, Neymar. Neymar, I still haven't put a video up yet of me playing with him. Sorry, you missed my first game with him, but I'll just tell you something for nothing, right? He is amazing. He is. If he don't score, he sets up. If he does score, he sets up as well. And he's just so quick. And the ball literally doesn't leave his foot. Does not unless you pass it, obviously. Another all-attacker. I'm going to sneeze now, I think. Yeah. Maybe. Don't know. I'll put that for sale anyway. Just in case. Because fuck all on these PCs. Fuck all. Yeah, you buy coins and stuff cheaper though than on Xbox and PS. What is that? Robert Green. Wow. Another duplicate. Roberto Di Matteo, 41212. 4321. I tell you what, guys. I'll upload my game with Neymar on Thursday tomorrow. Yeah. I'd say I do it now, but I'm uploading as we speak, so it'll be a laggy game. Another all-attacker. Oh my god, what? I always get the same shit in packs. Oh, is that a new keeper for Bayern Munich? Nah, I'll whack him up anyway. Right, come on. Come on, give me something. No, more bullshit. Real Madrid away kit. Does mean shit. What a terrible pack. What a terrible pack. Come on. Fabianski, oh my god. The Polish person. Yeah, boy. That's worth a bit. Standard. I'll put that for 10k starter price. Hopefully that'll go for bare P and thing. Fuck's sake, EA, really? Again? Oh, my chair is so squeaky. I went out with my mates today to see the film World War Z. Oh, you gotta go see it. It is a brilliant film. It is. It's like a zombie apocalypse thing, right? I've probably jumped about 3 times. I haven't even looked at the team of the week, and I'm opening packs. What is going on with me? Alexander Pato, how come he's in form? So do a Liga do Brazil, obviously. Oh, you'd think he'd have loads of pace by the look of him, and you know, he's a left wing. 4-star skills. 5-star skills. Oh, he could be interesting. And the rest of it's just, oh god, Balotelli. Yeah, right. Either Pato or Navas I want. Why am I going into search? Pardon me. Kakai. Shit. Why would I want a badge and a kit as a rare? God's sake. And a contract. My I can't say that fucking word still. It's full. This right here. Consumables. There we go. There we go. Hopefully I said that right. If I didn't, just shut the fuck up, okay? Right. Come on. Come on. Boateng. Kevin Prince. See, if I had the other Boateng, he's worth 50k on here. But no, I'd get this one, obviously. Immigrant. I don't mean that racially. He's meant to be from Ghana, I think. He's Ghana. Might be Ghana, don't know. And we have Marchetta or some shit like that. Oh, brilliant. Why do I keep getting silvers? I don't want fucking silvers unless they're in form. Right, EA, stop fucking me off now. Turan, 86, but he's not worth a wank. It's a quick sell of the whole pack. You twat. Come on. For fuck's sake, EA, what is this shit? Seriously. What? I don't want that. Just cancel out them completely. 2 packs in a row, I've just quick sold everything. Oh no, last one there was an all attack thing I sold. Oh my god. It's better pay off, EA, I swear to god. 433. Oscar. 2% fitness comes in handy. Ah, hoping it was the other way around. There you go for a lot. Centre forward to striker. Guardado. I thought I saw Darren Fletcher then. Fuck me. I don't think he's going to be on FIFA 14 since he hasn't played. I don't think he has. More Liverpool shit. Shit. Liverpool. What do you think on the Suarez situation then? Do you reckon he's going to leave or what? He says he wants to leave because like the press over here in England. And then people like Chelsea are putting bids in for him. I don't understand that shit. Honestly. Come on. Soldado, come on, give me something, give me something. Joe! Oh my god! More bullshit! Wow. Used to play for Man City. Yeah, thank you. 352. Right. 18 places left. Come on, Messi. I don't like you, but come on, give me some. See, that's why I don't like you, you prick. And then you give me a Manchester City home kit. Oh my god. I am distraught. Actually, I can apply that to my squad. Even though I just had a silver one. Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies. Loskov. Right. Come on. You fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Why did he go to Liverpool? I don't know. That might be worth something. Catania. Marcusio. Give me something. Oh my god. EA are so trolling me right now. I've never seen that player. It looks like he's new to the club, so I'll put him up for sale. More attacker things. Leno. A lot of new players come on today, evidently. Come on. EA. Banega. More bullshit. Right, is it just gonna close now? No! Oh, he's worth anything. More kits and bullshit. Oh, shit. I'll just do this video till Oscar. My trade pile is full. I just got that guy in a pack. What the fuck? God's sake. See, now, if I got someone worth a lot, that would never happen. Because EA troll me like that. A lot. Even though I got Neymar the other day and Ronaldo on last year's, but you know, I did spend a lot of money on packs. Ah, why the fuck would I want that? Please, tell me. Tell me. Twat. Alright, another quick sell pack. Lennon. Oh. Ah. So there's a shiny formation modifier then. Anderson the Amazing. 352. That will do. I might open a couple of 5k packs, see if I get anywhere with them ones. Alright. Moreno. Oh, I got more players. A 352 modifier. So far it's looking up. It's really annoying buzzing sound in my headset. Weisterman or something. Westerman. 4-star skills. 2-star skills, wow. Right, I'll open one more, then I'll go back to the Soldado at the moment. De Jong. Wow. 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 Draxler. Has he just moved to Schalke? No, I'm thinking of someone else, but I'm sure he wasn't a left mid. Not worth much, but it's worth more than 32 coins. It's not really worth trade pile space. Gotta keep your players' morale high. Got to, otherwise your team will play like utter shit. Utter shit. Yeah. Squeaky chair. Squeaky chair. Right, come on. Give me something to masturbate over. Shido. Oh my god. Arsenal, man. All attacker again. They better be worth something. De Gea. Or De Gea, as he's formerly known as. 4-1-2-1-2. Very nice. Still doesn't go for that much. Elias, yeah, he doesn't go for a fucking lot. Di Natale. Ah, lovely jubbly. Ah, thank you. Right. Send to trade pile. That's a nice little surprise, that was. The amount of money I spent on fucking packs, it should be an all. Right. Titan. I think it was Titan. Yeah, Titan. Never heard of him in my life. Quick sale. Ah, nah, Di Natale has put me in a good mood. Hoping for something more than like Ibrahimovic. Did I just get Gile? Oh, he is shit in form. He is awful. God awful. Oh, Gabona. Right, that makes my trade pile full. Actually, I cannot sell him because... So I'll just oh shit, never mind. He's not worth that much anyway, so... Just quick sell him. I open one more pack just for you. Cesar. Don't know who he is. Wasn't worth it. Oh wow, foot. Yeah, well, let's have a look how much Di Natale is. I'm sure he's over 100k. does look like a pretty boss player, but I got Muriel in form instead. Striker, Italia, Serie A. No, it's Bundesliga. Serie A, underneath. Right, let's see. 195, 105, 90. Maybe not. He might not be over 100k. I want that one instead, though. Oh, look at that. 361 games, 206 goals on the goal. See, can't bloody win. More expensive players usually do shit, but people on here are just terrible. Well, most people. No offense to people whom I play with, or my friends, but everyone else, yeah, you're shit. Oh my god! That escalated quickly. Right. 104, 90. I'll put him up for around 95. Hopefully someone will snag him. I said snag. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. Peace!